I'm Caroline Council and I'm an accredited family law specialist.
I'm Andrew McGregor. I'm a solicitor working in the Children's Court. I have been a lawyer for about 23 years.
My name's Jason Walker. I'm an accredited specialist in family law and an accredited specialist in children's law.
My name's Marlene Eberger and I'm a lawyer, a family lawyer in particular. I practice in Werribee in the western suburbs of Melbourne.
My area of law means working with couples and families to help them separate. I understand there was an issue that arose about a failed attempt of the two of you to try and resolve something between last meeting and this meeting.
Obviously it entails a lot of emotion. People are quite upset. I deal with issues around children. Who are they going to live with? Who are they going to spend time with?
When it comes to children's matters, the court's approach is to make arrangements in children's best interests. And sometimes parents need the assistance of lawyers to understand what's right for their kids, what's going to work, what's going to be practical.
I also deal in the area of family violence, which unfortunately is a reality of life today for many families.
I've been having problems with my partner overnight, and I was talking to some friends and they suggested I contact you for an intervention order.
So an intervention order is an order made by the court that can protect you from any form of family violence. People need a lawyer so that they can be informed upfront about their rights and responsibilities and what action they can take.
One of the myths about lawyers is that they're really there for themselves, that they act in their own interests rather than their client's interests. But in family law, the lawyer's role is to help people, and they're motivated by the desire of wanting to help people and see a fair outcome.
The thing I like about being a lawyer is you never see the same thing twice, and quite often you have the experience that you've made a positive difference to a client's life.
If you seek a lawyer in the early stages of a family law issue, you are more likely to resolve it without, for example, having to go to court. A lawyer can advise you of the different forms of alternative dispute resolution and allow the family as a whole to choose the process that best suits their needs.
One of the disadvantages of not using a lawyer in family law matters is that people might settle for something less than they're entitled to.
I really enjoy doing work with families to make sure that children are cared for by both parents.
A lawyer can make the difference between the dispute continuing and the dispute ending.
A lot of people think lawyers are not approachable. We're just down the road from where they live and we understand what their needs are.
One of the reasons I like being a lawyer is that notion of helping people.
There's a commitment to social justice, and that's our purpose for turning up at work each day.